Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by parking straight and setting the wheels forward. Mark the steering column and wheel at top center with paint or tape to preserve alignment. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes before touching the airbag to allow residual charge to dissipate. Gather tools: an 18 mm socket for the center nut, a T30 Torx for airbag fasteners, and a steering wheel puller that accepts M8 bolts about 60 mm long. Wear eye protection and keep metal tools away from the airbag face. Remove the front wheel and spray penetrating oil on the upper mount and lower bolt. Let it soak 10 minutes. Support the lower control arm with a jack or stand to prevent sudden drop, then remove the lower shock bolt and pull the shock free from its mount. On the top, remove the upper mounting nut inside the engine bay or fender well, swap in the new shock, hand start the fasteners, then tighten the lower bolt to 50 ft-pounds and the upper nut to 30 ft-pounds using a torque wrench. Chock the front wheels, raise the rear about 18 inches, and remove the rear wheel for clear access to the shock eyelets. Spray penetrating oil, remove the rear lower bolt and the upper eyelet nut, then remove the old shock and install the new one. Hand start both fasteners. Torque the lower bolt to 50 ft-pounds and the upper nut to 30 ft-pounds, lower the Jeep, perform a slow test drive, and confirm no clunks and consistent rebound within 2 to 3 compressions to ensure proper installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.